Hey, looking forward to make money in this lockdown? Well, I believe that's what got you here on this page. Well, let me introduce you to this new business model, budding business model, which is called affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing. Now, my friend, this is one way you can make tons of money online, even during this lockdown. Now, affiliate marketing is something where you pick up other companies' products and you sell them online. And for that, you get your commission. And we will show you how you can go about doing that. And that too, probably just in about a week's time, you can set up your own website. We will teach you how to get traffic. We'll teach you how to sell it online. And all within a week, 10 days time. Just that you'll have to commit your time. Maybe you'll have to commit 8-10 hours a day initially to learn this. And once you've done it, I'm very sure you will figure a way out using our systems and training how to sell online. Most importantly, we'll show you how to sell digital products online and get some good commissions, earn some good commissions in US dollars. I have put up a short note on this page explaining what is affiliate marketing and what is our training all about. All you have to do is go through and click on the link below. It will take you to our page, to our training page. Create your free account and dive in. And you will immediately get to know how things would really work out. So friends, all the best in this lockdown. And I sincerely hope that this really works out for you, which it will. All you need to do is dive in, put in some initial time, and you'll start rocking and start making some money online in US dollars in this lockdown. My promise. Thank you.